Hey there, it's Dan from RDP Arena. Today, we'll be diving into a super important topic: how to permanently delete sensitive files from your RDP server. And by permanently, I mean making them totally unrecoverable. If you care about your privacy, you're going to want to stick around for this. Now, you might be thinking, isn't pressing Shift-Delete enough? Well, not quite. Even after you do that, anyone with a data recovery tool like Recuva, Disk Drill, or Undelete My Files can still retrieve your sensitive files and gain unauthorized access. This can be a serious risk, especially if your RDP gets hacked or if your shared RDP slot is reassigned to someone else without proper data formatting. But don't worry, there's a way to ensure your sensitive data is deleted for good. Let me introduce you to BleachBit. It's a free open-source tool that permanently deletes files by overwriting them, ensuring they can't be recovered. Think of it as your digital file shredder. I've left the download link in the description, so go ahead and grab it. A quick note before we jump into the process. This method works best on traditional hard drives or HDDs. If your RDP is using a solid-state drive or SSD, the process might not be as effective due to how SSDs manage data. With that being said, let's dive into how BleachBit works. Here's BleachBit open on my RDP server. To get started, click on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, under the General tab, check the box that says Overwrite Contents of Files to prevent recovery. This ensures that when files are deleted, their contents are overwritten, making recovery nearly impossible. Click Close to save your settings. To shred a file, click on the top left icon again and select the Shred Files option. Choose the file you want to permanently delete and click Open. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete these files. Click the Delete button to begin the deletion process. And just like that, the file has been successfully deleted and made completely unrecoverable. That's all for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.